In today's fast-paced retail environment, efficient operations are the key to success. For one ambitious retailer, the challenge was clear. Outdated processes were slowing growth. But then, x2x stepped in. The roadblocks holding them back were manual inventory management, disconnected systems, and clunky checkout processes. x2x, a partner dedicated to transforming retail operations through seamless POS integration. x2x integration connected the point-of-sale system directly with their ERP solution, enabling real-time data syncing for sales, inventory, and customer transactions. The results were transformative. Inventory updates became instantaneous, eliminating stock discrepancies. Checkout processes sped up, improving customer satisfaction. And management gained full visibility into sales performance across all stores. With x2x's ERP and POS integration, this retailer turned challenges into opportunities and achieved operational excellence. Ready to revolutionize your retail operations? Contact x2x today and discover the power of seamless integration. Transform your retail future with x2x.